Okay, that is a nice idea.
You can also name the students with the month name.
Yeah.
Ah,
One student, you are January, you are February, and for 2 to 3 days, we should give a flashcard of name of the month January here.
okay.
That also helps them.
Yes, do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yasmin ma'am, what's your idea? What do you think about that? Yes, yes. Yes, explain.
Flashcard showing the flashcard and spelling and repeat it and then
Ah, okay.
And sir, we can also make syllables of the month, like
Ah,
January. And like that, we are in the tuning, we can also make them learn the January, January.
okay.
Like this also they learn.
Okay. What about Aisha ma'am? What you are telling? Yes.
By using the birthdays month.
Ah,
They
that is a
learn
great idea.
all months.
That is a great idea. I want to elicit it from you.